I just made an amazing corned beef and just had to share it with you. I just got the idea from Everyday Eileen, which is a blog. She also has a great recipe for Irish soda bread, so that's why I was trusting her. Start by washing your corned beef. I'm using the flat cut corned beef this time and I loved it. I'm using my Instapot, which is great for tough meat, and I'm using 2 cups of beer. Quick disclosure, I hate beer, but I was trusting Everyday Eileen for her recipe. So I didn't add any other flavors. I didn't add any water because I didn't want that boiled taste. I did use the seasoning packet because that's what makes corned beef so great. Set your Instapot for 70 minutes. I don't like boiled vegetables, so I'm cooking the corned beef by itself. It came out perfect, just the way I wanted it, not too soft where it's falling apart, but still tender and melts in your mouth. The broth was so delicious, I decided to make some potatoes. I added 4 peeled potatoes to the Instapot for 6 minutes and it came out perfect. This was my meal and it was so great. So I wanted to share it with you so you could try it too. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.